So, good day everyone. So, I am Karen Amos, your reporter sa lesson 2 which is non-material culture communication component. Okay, so I will discuss the non-material culture. Kapag sinasabi nating non-material culture is intangible, hindi siya nahawakan. For example, beliefs, norms, values, ideas, knowledge. So isa-isayin natin itong elements of culture. So now, start for the beliefs. So first, beliefs. Beliefs are man's perception about the reality of things, are the shared ideas about how the world in his environment operate. These are the reflective of highly valued feelings about the world in which the love beliefs are influenced by emotion, attitude, values, ideology, and religion. So, connect na natin po siya sa religion na lang. For example, ang dami nating beliefs na superstitious beliefs tayo na iba't ibang believe na religion ng Christian, Muslim, or iba pang mga religion. So, as a Pilipino, may mga paniniwala tayo, diba? So, sinasabi natin na bathala na. From the word, bathala na. Kumbaga, ipinapasados natin na kung ano nga ba mangyayari for the future. So, bahagi din yung beliefs na kung ano nga ba yung tama or ano nga ba yung mga bawal. So, next, values. Refer to the word preference of a person of the appropriate sources of action of decision he has to take. Values are a reflection of a person's sense of right and wrong. A person's values sociologically influence his attitude and behavior. So, values, ito yung binibigyan natin ng pagpapahalaga. Reflected niyan sa kung ano nga yung notion or notion kung ano yung tama at mali. So, tayo as a Pilipino, you share the values like may bayanihan, pagmamahal sa bansa, matibay na pananampalataya, at strong religious faith. And also, respect para sa nakakatanda. So, bahagi sa culture natin ang pagmamano. And, syempre, pagtanggap sa bisita at magsalita ng po at opo. So, norms. Norms are the society standard of the morality, conduct, property, ethics, and legality. So, yun kung gaano ba dapat behave, ano ba nga ba yung behavior, kung saan sa isang lipunan ay acceptable ba to or hindi acceptable. So, norms are vary according to the age, gender, religion, politics, economics, ethnicity, or race of the group. And next, second for the last, ideas compromise man's concept of his physical, social, and cultural world as manifested in the people, beliefs, and values. So, example na lamang dito is sinaunang Pilipino na naninirahan sa Pilipinas na nakita natin sa manunggol jar, na isang bolyar jar na meron ng idea ng sinaunang Pilipino o sinaunang tao na meron ng manunggol jar, so man idea na sila. So, life after. So, lastly is knowledge. Knowledge can natural or supernatural, magical, or technical. So, these are the body of facts and beliefs that people accumulate over time. So, example na naman dito is Sir Arbonaro, di ba? May mga ganyan silang knowledge na paniniwala sa medicine, feeling nila sila ay nakukulam or mayroon inggit. So, inggit or gayuma na nasa ganun na paniniwala, diba? So, yung mga Albernaryo na yun, kung paano nila may supernatural word, magical, or technical knowledge kung paano nila tanggalin yung kulam or pain sa katawan. So, bahagi niyan sa culture natin as a Pilipino, diba? So, at bahagi ito ng non-material culture, which is knowledge.